Oh, I got a heart.
Wow, I
got a
found
heart.
the fox.
Yes, I got a heart. Oh, I got a
I got another
donut.
one. I got a piggy. I got a piggy. Let's go. All right, let's keep searching. Oh, I got another one.
Oh, I got a squirrel. I got a
giraffe. Oh dear.
Oh, yes, I got a piggy.
Oh no.
Yes, I got more than
Oh,
Liam because I got
no.
5 and I got 3. Yes, I won this round.
Liam
lose.
got
Yeah. How
and
about
Cattien got 4.
now I'm gonna make like a big mountain here. And now let's start.
Let's begin. Whoa.
Oh, I don't see
I
anything
didn't
right
find.
now.
Whoa, I found
Oh, I
one.
found one too.
Wow. Wait. Is that? Oh my gosh.
It's a donut.
I found a donut.
That's so hard. Oh, I found something. It's a pig. Oh, so cute. I need.
Ooh, I found another one. It's a tomato, I think.
Oh my goodness, this is so hard.
Oh.
I found something. It's a squirrel.
It's a squirrel? Wow. I wonder if there's any more.
Cattien got 3 and Liam got 3.
I found something. I found another pig. It's
Oh,
a
no.
twin pig.
Whoa. I'm just digging. I'm looking for my toy. Oh, I found a heart.
We got equal.
Yeah, it's
There's
an
only
equal game.
8.
All right, so 4 to 4.
Yeah. I
But
kinda wanna
that
play.
was a tie.
Oh, look at this.
1, 2, 3, stop.
Okay, wait. Alright, this is the 3rd round. Wow, I got the donut. That's pretty awesome.
And I got I got a squirrel. Oh yeah, I got a squirrel.
Oh my
yes, I
God.
got a pig. Oh yes, I got a tomato.
I got 2 of these.
I got a
Wow.
heart.
Wait. Which one is
Yeah, I told
It's over already.
Yeah.
Cattien wins.
Cattien
Oh
win.
no, I lose. Hey, I got the golden pig, the donut, and the fox.
I got an idea, guys. Liam, close your eyes.
Okay.
I'm gonna be hiding his truck in the sand. I'm gonna get this guy help. You can open your eyes.
Oh my gosh. Where'd my truck go? Alright guys, I'm gonna make my little friends here go and look for. Hey, we don't need your help. We got this. Okay, so let's look at the bottom of the mountain. Oh my gosh, I found something yellow. Let's pull it out. Whoa. It's an ancient truck. Oh no, never mind. It's my truck.
Hey Liam, your truck got stolen. Woo! Yeah.
Okay, so now we'll be playing the Excavator Challenge. So each person will get 10 scoops.
Yeah.
They'll fully scoop, and if they get, there will be 8 toys inside the sand pit.
Yeah.
So if each time you scoop, and if you get 1 toy, then that counts as 1 point. 2 toys is 2 points, but you have to fully scoop it, and it has to be inside the scooper.
Yeah.
And so one person will go first with 10 tries, and then the sand will reset, and then the other person will go 10
Yeah,
tries.
and whoever has the most wins.
Yeah, that's
Let's
very
start.
easy.
I'm
Now,
gonna go first.
let's let my sister go first.
Oh, Cattien first.
Oh,
Alright,
but
second
yes.
scoop. Second
Yes.
scoop got 1 toy.
1 toy. Second.
Third scoop. Wow, our third scoop got 1 toy, so that's 2 toys.
Oh, yeah.
And then this is the third scoop. The
Yes.
car's going upside down.
I mean, like
That's the 4th scoop.
4 scoop. Yeah.
And this is the 5th scoop.
Yes.
Oh my gosh.
And then the
Okay, 6th scoop.
7.
Yes.
And that's the 6 scoop.
6 scoop. And
Go
then
for the 7 scoop. Let's see what she finds.
7 scoop.
Nothing.
Nothing.
Is
But
Eight
8 scoop,
scoop.
she finds another toy.
Yeah.
And it is
a heart.
a heart.
And 1, 2, 3, 4, like 4. Yeah.
Right, this is the 9th
9
scoop.
scoop.
Where will you scoop? Oh my god.
Oh my god.
9 go.
Yes, I got a tomato. Okay.
And this is the 10th scoop.
Go. Both you go in. Yes!
Got
So
2.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I got
8 toys.
Maximum
Time my
point.
Liam toys. And
Nice.
now we are going to reset it.
Cattien high.
Yeah, hey, go up. I'm going to make him fair. I'm going to make this super hard. You know what? I'm going to put it separate. Put a stir. I don't know where I'm putting it, but whatever. Okay. Now we are in it.
Okay. Liam.
Liam, come on. Let's see how much you got.
Alright. My turn to do the 10 scoops.
1.
One. Oh, you
Oh
have any?
no.
Nothing.
2 cubes. Oh, nothing.
Oh no.
Oh, at least
Yeah. Okay, I got 1 toy.
1.
Oh.
This is our 4th scoop. 4th scoop.
Oh my gosh. My 4th scoop got 2
One.
toys.
3 toys.
Alright, so this is the 5th scoop.
5th scoop.
I think this is going to be the place.
5th scoop.
Oh wow.
7 coconut.
Oh, this is the 5th.
5th. Okay.
Okay. Let's see. I have 5 more scoops to find 4 more toys. Okay, let's get dig deep.
6.
6th.
Oh no, I found
Nothing.
nothing.
But 7th.
7.
7th.
7 scoop. I got a tomato.
Yeah.
8.
scoop.
Nothing.
Oh no.
9.
9 scoop.
Oh, whoa, okay.
9 scoop.
Oh
And
no.
10 scoop.
Hold on. I gotta think. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5,
One.
6. I still need 2 more in 1 scoop.
Oh.
So it must be in here. Oh no, wait. It's not coming in. Oh, no. I got 7 points.
Okay, I'm gonna find the thing that was in there.
Yeah, Cattien win.
Cattien wins
At
the
least
game.
where is the other guy? I'm pretty sure. Oh, it's a donut. You haven't found.
Oh,
a
he's
donut.
right here. Right? Oh no, why is he so buried? Oh,
Yeah, donut.
wow.
I tricked you.
I'll win next.
Put this guy in. How about I'm gonna try if I can find it with this. Find the animal with this.
Okay, let's see.
Oh yeah!
Oh my God.
I found it already.
You found all of them.
Oh yeah! Oh yeah! I found all of it. I just need to collect it. Oh, and thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe.
Bye.